Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm not doing a will it work or not. I am doing slime. Yes, that's right, slime. Whoops. Yeah. So this one's way more better and stretchier. So, I will be doing a giveaway, and you will get this big of slime, full container. Okay, and these are the colors you'll get in this big slime container. Your choice. There's pink, there's purple, there's dark blue, there's light blue, there's orange, there's red, there's yellow, there's green, and brown. And the original color is just white. So, you got that? We got this. We got these colors. Everybody got it? Good. So, I will be doing a giveaway. This big of a slime container. This is just a small version. It's stretchy, it's fun, and it's pokey. Yeah, it's pokey, it's fun, it's stretchy, sorry, and it's slimy. It's perfect. Blue is my favorite color, as you can see, but I do have a green background, whatever though. Then this one, it's stretchy. But if you don't pull fast, if you pull like super fast like that, then it's not stretchy. You have to pull sort of slow like this. You get what I mean? Yeah, I think you guys do. This one, if you pull super fast, it does stretch, but it breaks eventually. See? If I pull super fast, it's still stretchy. I like this slime the better than this slime. So moving on to the slime, as I was saying, it's stretchy, it's fun to play with, and yeah. So here's what you have to do to get a container / bucket full of slime. And you can pick one of these colors. You can pick one of these colors like I said. So here's what you have to do. You have to describe like every one of my slime videos, not every one of my videos, just every one of my slime videos. You have to like every one of my slime videos and subscribe on every single video. And you have to follow me on Musical.ly if you have it. Mine's Brooke.H06. But if you don't have it Musical.ly, then you just then you can just Darn it, stupid me. Then you can just subscribe me, like every one of my slime videos, and that's it. Oh, and you have to do a comment on this video, not my other videos, this video at the bottom saying you did everything. And then I'll check, and if you did, tell me your name and your address, and you will get this full of slime in the mail by after you text me your address. I will make the slime for you. You will get it over just 2 days. Okay? Okay. Bye.